I want to ask one thing, that are you feeling the same what I'm feeling for the last 1 month after looking the video which I'm watching in my Instagram, YouTube, even in the LinkedIn, that I'm getting this particular thumbnail where they're claiming that they have built $80K website. So that particular website which they have developed, it's worth 80K, like 100K, 10K, 5K. I hope you have seen these kind of thumbnails in your feed as well. I just have a genuine question. I'm not saying in a bad way, but I have a genuine question that how they got the valuation of that particular product. Whatever figure they're providing the thumbnail in their video, or what tools they have developed. This is the same figure I was getting when the N10 was in popular, when the Open Clue was popular. Like I built this particular entire CEO funnel, CMO funnel, all of these AI developer funnels, all this N10 funnel for managing the AI assistants, emails, AI generation, ad campaign, or Facebook ads. I was getting this figure, the same figure I can see right now with the Claude Code, where they're generating, showing a particular template with a image with multiple 3D image, and they're saying that it's worth 80K, 500K, 40K. I don't know how they are coming with this number. Who is validating and who is paying that much money to that particular product which they are showing in the video? Are you feeling the same? I just want to ask you one thing. I may be wrong because this is my personal thoughts which I was getting whenever I getting this particular thumbnail. So one thing you have to understand, that all of things right now you are having is delusional. It's confusing, lack of clarity, and it's taking the advantage of it. You have to understand that what exactly happening to you, how you are getting played. Because right now things are got repetitive. Things are not improving anymore. They're coming with small changes, small add up. And the way they are presenting that it is the next big thing. If you look at the benchmark the AIs are achieving at the moment, every time it's huge, huge. And they're giving $1 billion valuation to that. They're giving $1 million valuation to that. They're building this particular template and they're saying that this is 80K template, 100K. It's the next level of AI development. You have heard this one. But I want to understand one thing, that who giving that particular validation? Who can justify that particular amount which they are delivering? So whenever you get any video just like this, I want you to ask the resource that how they have got that particular figure. Is there any actual buyer who's paying that particular amount? Or you have heard that this particular company paid for this similar website with this similar models, and they have developed the simpler version of that, and they're saying that it is the same thing. No, it's not. Trust me, it's not. Whatever you see, there is tons of things goes into that. It's not looks that easy. Tons of things behind the scene for that particular tools to develop in such a way the way it's now, and the money the valuation, the money they have got. But this individual creators, they're creating this particular bubble. I'm not anti to this AI or to this AI developer. So you have to ask yourself, every time you have to ask yourself, whatever you see, ask yourself that it's really worth that much. It's really good to learn. Whatever you do, always question, always question, always question that. Whatever comes in front of you, be critical. You have AI assistants. You can ask AI, you can pick that, and you can ask that what impact it will create. Whether you want to keep as a skill level, whether you want to keep it as a intellectual level, whether you want to just watch it and forget and move on to the next one. You should ask yourself that how it's going to create the impact on you. What you are doing now, that one is more important than what you will do next 5 years, 10 years. I got this particular question that what will happen after 10 years. I don't know what will happen after 10 years. We'll have the most advanced AGI and we would be not here. No human would be here. Even I don't know what will happen. It could be one of us in that 7 to 8%. So you cannot say that what will happen next 5 years, 7 years, 10 years. It's all random. It's all random. Right now you are fell in wine, something wrong will happen. So ask question whenever someone's come with this particular claim, this particular question, ask yourself. That will give you a real understanding on what's happening right now.